Hi, I'm Dawn Duck, one of Issuetrak's product engineers. Have you ever found that you'd like to restrict the viewing of certain knowledge base articles to a specific group of users? Well, say no more because Issuetrak's got your back. The knowledge base is an online library for storing and retrieving useful information and reference materials, such as company policies, procedures, forms, how-to guides, answers to frequently asked questions, and known solutions to common issues or problems. So if you don't currently have the knowledge base on your site and you'd like to start using that feature, the way to enable it is to click the gear icon in the top right corner, and then you're going to click Features under System. Once you're on the Features page, you're going to scroll down to Knowledge Base. You're going to put a check in the Use KB box. If you'd like to relabel your knowledge base to be something else, you can do that right here. After you've made your changes, you're going to click Update to save the changes. Our changes are now saved, so we're going to click Knowledge Base on the left-hand side. I'm going to search for a specific article for which I want to put restrictions on. So use the quick search box here to enter your keyword, then click Search. I'm going to click on the number for the article to view it, and then I'm going to click Edit from the right quick menu. After I'm on the edit page, I can click Add directly above the Restrict To box. This box is going to allow me to select whatever groups or organizations to which I want to restrict the article. If you want to select multiple items, you can hold down your Control key on your keyboard while clicking. After you've made your selections, you click the Update button to save the changes. Sometimes you might want to restrict an entire category of articles, such as articles with a category of internal only that you only want your internal employees to see. If you'd like to restrict a category of articles, you're going to click on List under the Categories area in the right quick menu. You're going to click on Edit on the desired category. And once you're on the edit page, you can click the Add link directly below the Restrict To box. So this is the same as the other one. You're going to hold down your Control key if you want to select multiple items. Do your clicks and then click Update to save the changes. And there you go, your restrictions are in place. So after you've added the restrictions, only users from the organizations or groups in the Restrict To list will have the ability to see the articles or categories that you restricted. Please remember that the exception to that is users who have access to administration information, because they can see everything in the site regardless of restrictions. So today we showed you how to put restrictions on knowledge base articles and categories. For additional tips and tricks, please contact Issuetrak Professional Services.